Yeah.
I'm going to the right That was very good.
We're gonna do the burps in slow motion on 3, 2, 1.
Is going to the back.
She has like ammo in her stomach. It's like, relaunch, relaunch. Okay, anyways, let's not say that. Human drinks first. I guess I'm not the one, so I guess we're just gonna have to entertain.
Did you hear the one that I did in the bathroom?
I couldn't hold that in. Okay, wait. I'm winning now. I was choking and burping at the same time.
I don't come up with any of the good ones except the
Okay,
one
drink.
in the back.
Dang it. Wait, it'll come up. Wait. Wait. Do it with me.
I was
ready.
in the
Ready?
bathroom.
Those things. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, almost coming. Wait. Stop staring at me. Wait, I got another one. I was winning. No rookies.
Okay, is everybody done with their show?
They're inside the, yeah. By all our other videos, you can probably tell we shake it enough, but you know, we're gonna do more. But it's coming. I need a burp. Okay, wait. mac and cheese. Thank you, Sarah.
I had a good.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is our third Pepsi today, but so what?
Who cares?
Actually, this is my fourth. This is your third. I don't want any more. I have too much gas. Hold on.